Sparky, am I awesome? Sparky, am I awesome? By the way, guys, it's just a light shining in his eyes. His eyes aren't that bright. Really creepy. Hush, folk. Yeah, that would be really creepy. That looks demented in the camera, but in real life it looks fine. Sparky, am I awesome? A vegetable is awesome. No, you still don't like them. Sparky, are vegetables awesome? They're not awesome, huh? Yes, Spark. By the way, my dog's name is Sparky. And I just want to show you that, guys. Isn't that really weird? Not his eyes, that's just the light shining in it. You know that happens when light shines in their eyes. Don't eat my feet. Don't do that. It's rude. Vegetables aren't awesome, huh? Well, I want to show you. Yeah, my dog has. By the way, it's like really snowy outside, and it's like almost my birthday. If you're watching this, my birthday's probably in like 8 days. Whenever it's published, video will probably come out tomorrow or today. Yeah, it says today's the 8th of November 2014. I'm just gonna wonder what day it is, but that was all I'm gonna show you. Let's walk. It's very strange.